I think your LinkedIn profile has to be very, very significant so that when people are finding people to hire, then your LinkedIn profile these days creates a humongous impact, especially because your LinkedIn profile now is a part of your resume, as we discussed, and standalone also. LinkedIn profile is something which every hiring manager reviews these days. And I will speak about some very critical parts of the LinkedIn profile. You don't have to be really very finicky about it, but these are some essential elements which you should have in place. So first is your headline, which is your tagline or LinkedIn, plus have a decent formal professional photograph on your LinkedIn which is aligned with the kind of role you might be performing in your organization. And headline could be a combination of your current job title plus your specialty or your core strength. It could be either of these, it could be a mix of this, because I think LinkedIn provides you sufficient space and sufficient words to enter your headline. So make sure your strength, your specialty, and your current job title or any keywords that you feel are really, really important for your profile are listed in your headline and your photograph. Okay, so that's about the headline. After that, you have a about section in LinkedIn. This is very, very critical, guys, because nobody goes into in-depth experience that you carry and that you have listed on your LinkedIn profile, right? Because on LinkedIn profile you can't make it absolutely public in terms of whatever you have achieved in your experiences and stuff like that. So in your experience you typically write either a brief about the role that you were performing, or you write the background of your organization. So what becomes critical is the about section. Now there are ways to write about section. I'm sharing some tips with you. You are free to choose your own template. For example, one is that your about has to have a very powerful opening. The first two lines of your about has to be powerful enough so that somebody goes through then your complete about section. Right now it could be a good description of yourself, your profile, your experience in your own words. LinkedIn is not your resume wherein you have to use pointers and you have to use specific jargons. LinkedIn is a profile wherein people can relate with you. So any description which is given in your own words, you know creates that element for people wherein they can relate with you. Second option is start with a powerful quote and then build that quote with your strength and with your experiences. So that's another good option through which you can write the about section. Third is you probably write your own journey. What is the story of your life? How you started, if you have some great milestones, how you have grown, where you are today. So that's primarily the key part of your about section. Then when you are writing, when you have written, let's say, a paragraph in your about section, then it should follow what do you do in your present role. I'm not talking about your designation, your role in terms of your title. I'm talking about what do you exactly do in your role. What are some of the successes that you have achieved while performing this role? What is your passion? What is your value system? What is your character? So all those traits you can subtly include in your story in the about section of LinkedIn. Then comes your final thing, your offer. Your LinkedIn profile again has to have an offer. What you want your audience to do if they have gone through your about section. Is it that you are free to connect with everyone? Is it you are looking to join some groups of startups or some groups of, let's say, some specific language of coding? What do you exactly expect from people? You should have an offer even in your LinkedIn profile so that people know. LinkedIn profile is like the way you speak. So if you read your LinkedIn profile loud, it should create your emotion, it should create those feelings. So you should write it the way you will speak about the profile. So that's how you have to write the LinkedIn profile. Second critical thing is keep it neat. Again, don't clutter it with too many words. Give proper spacing, give proper gaps between the lines that you are writing in LinkedIn. Third is, try to talk in terms of stories. See, I fundamentally believe that facts tell, but stories sell. So if you want to have a LinkedIn profile which creates a selling proposition for others, try to narrate it through powerful stories. Now, these stories could be of your journey, could be of your successes, could be of some instances which have transformed your life. And I'll show you a glimpse of my profile, how it looks like. I'm not saying mine is the best. There are wonderful profiles available on LinkedIn that you can review, but mine is, keeping this template in mind, I have created my profile, and for me it is working really beautifully without making much of the changes in the profile. So let's quickly look how my profile looks like. So I clearly talk about what is my specialty. I am a sales scale up leader. I wanted to highlight that I have founded an organization, so I have also mentioned that. And then it talks about my current position, so that if there are any opportunities related to sales excellence, CRM and marketing, people know that I can be contacted for that because I'm handling that kind of profile, right? Then comes to my about section. So if you look at it, the way I mentioned, I have started my about section with a quote, which then I have mingled with my overall profile experience. So if you look my complete profile, this is just a section of it. You will see I develop a story around sales and why I like sales and why I say that sales is a life skill, it's not a profession. So that's the way I have created it. You are again free to choose your own template. Now guys, I have a quick exercise for you, which is, before you move on to the next module, go to your LinkedIn profile. If you don't have, then create it today. Go to your LinkedIn profile. I want you to do three things. One, put a professional photograph of yours on your LinkedIn profile. Get your headline and your about section done. Third, I want you to start following some of the groups which are of interest to you, some of the groups which are of your domain, so that you can start getting some relevant information and updates from that group. Once you have created your LinkedIn profile, just type done in the comment box, and I will see you in the next module. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.